morning, everybody. Today we're here at the bathrooms because Lean starts in the bathroom. We recently just had our bathrooms redone, so we're going to do some cleaning there. Also, we made some small improvements on our cleaning supplies. We now have cleaning supplies over here for the toilet. And they're not there right now because we kind of rearranged, but they will be once we're done with our cleaning. And we moved some stuff down here. So this basket has become a little bit obsolete, but we're gonna be using it for our inventory on rice. We now have bottled water, so we're gonna need some shelf space for that. So we're gonna rearrange this whole area. So yeah, we'll see you in a few.
Alright guys, Adriana is currently walking through the spider webs in the bathroom.
On the window. I'm gonna need tall Bethany to help me reach those.
You got it. So we've got Adriana currently mopping the bathroom.
So dusty.
Getting all the dust and the little paint flakes and stuff out. Look at that skill.
Unutilized skills.
Yes, exactly. I don't want to get her floor footprinted, so I'm just trying to give y'all side view. And the water just kind of helps her push it on out the door.
That's right. I done messed up my boots.
Oh no.
It's okay.
And we've been working on the shelf as well. Gonna organize it a little bit better, kind of clean it up. Alright guys, welcome to the bathroom, part million. So, as you can see, we've got our nice pretty walls put up and nice and clean now because they had all kinds of fingerprints in them. So, if you come farther into here, we have our little shelf, but that's going to be a future improvement, so I'm not going to give any spoilers on that. So we cleaned everything up, and we also, if you want to come back out here, reorganized our whole entire shelf. So we took all the stuff that we haven't been using and just kind of went away with it and put it in miscellaneous places that made more sense than it just being right here. And so now we've got our water, miscellaneous cleaning supplies, trash bags, toilet paper, Kleenexes that only I use, and paper towels. Also guys, I forgot to add, so we actually put our cleaning supplies in a different spot as of now until we get our shelves and everything put back up. So give me one moment and I'll show you where we put our cleaning supplies. They are all together, easily accessible, so we're still in our lean parameters. Alright guys, so as you can see for right now, we have our toilet cleaner, our wipes, our Windex, our soap, everything that we need for the bathroom is easily accessible. Also, if you want to take one moment and come into the men's bathroom with me, you'll see that all of their stuff is the same way. Extra toilet paper, wipes, Windex, trash bags, soap. Okay guys, so with these new improvements, hopefully this will cut down on our transportation, our excess inventory, wasting time because we're not having to go so many places to get everything. And yeah, hopefully this will just kind of smooth and ease out the whole process of cleaning the bathrooms and having everything right where you need it, in its place, just like this.